Little Marvels.
Hello friends, welcome to Little Marvels, your favorite channel for learning and having fun. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome educational content. Today, we are continuing our exciting journey of learning English sentences with part 3. Speaking in sentences helps us communicate clearly with others. Let's learn some more simple and useful sentences together. First, let's start with I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this is pronounced I click this. We use this sentence to show that we enjoy or prefer something. For example, when you are playing with a toy you enjoy, you can say I like this toy. Next, we have how old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you is pronounced how old are you. We use this sentence to ask someone their age. For example, if you meet a new friend you can ask, how old are you? Another important sentence is can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me is pronounced can you help me? We use this sentence when we need assistance from someone. For example, if you can't reach something on a high shelf, you can say, can you help me get that book? Let's learn what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color is pronounced what is your favorite color. We use this sentence to ask someone about the color they like the most. For example, you can ask, what is your favorite color? And someone might reply, my favorite color is blue. Now, let's practice I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am learning English is pronounced I am learning English. We use this sentence to tell others that we are studying the English language. For example, you can say I am learning English at school. Another useful sentence is what do you like to do? What do you like to do? What do you like to do? What do you like to do is pronounced what do you like to do? We use this sentence to ask someone about their hobbies or interests. For example, you can ask, what do you like to do on weekends? Let's talk about I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know is pronounced I don't know. We use this sentence when we are unsure or do not have the answer to something. For example, if someone asks you a difficult question, you can say, I don't know. Finally, we have let's play together. Let's play together. Let's play together. Let's play together is pronounced let's play together. We use this sentence to invite someone to join us in a game or activity. For example, you can say let's play together at the park. Remember, practicing these sentences helps us speak English better and communicate with others. Keep practicing and you will get better every day. Thank you for learning with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Little Marvels for more fun and educational videos. Hello friends, welcome to Little Marvels, your favorite channel for learning and having fun. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome educational content. Today, I want to talk to you about something very exciting: learning English sentences. Part 1. Speaking in sentences helps us communicate clearly with others. Let's learn some simple and useful sentences together. First, let's start with a greeting. The sentence is hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you is pronounced chechkloch, how are you? We use this sentence to greet someone and ask about their well-being. When you meet someone, you can say, "Hello, how are you?" And they might reply, "I am fine, thank you." Next, we have what is your name? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name is pronounced what is your name. We use this sentence to ask someone their name. For example, if you meet a new friend, you can say, "What is your name?" And they might reply, "My name is Sarah." Another important sentence is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you is pronounced nice touch meet you. We say this sentence when we meet someone for the first time. For example, after you learn someone's name, you can say, "Nice to meet you, Sarah." Let's learn can I have some water, please? 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 Is pronounced can I have some water, please? We use this sentence to politely ask for water. For example, if you are thirsty, you can say, "Can I have some water, please?" And someone might give you a glass of water. Now let's practice I like to play. I like to play. I like to play. I like to play is pronounced I click touch play. We use this sentence to tell others that we enjoy playing. For example, you can say, "I like to play with my toys." Another useful sentence is thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much is pronounced thank you very much. We use this sentence to show gratitude. For example, if someone helps you, you can say, "Thank you very much for your help." Let's talk about I am happy. I am happy. I am happy. I am happy is pronounced I am tappies. We use this sentence to express that we feel good. For example, if you are having a fun day, you can say, "I am happy today." Finally, we have goodbye. See you later. Goodbye, see you later. Goodbye, see you later. Goodbye, see you later is pronounced goodbye, see you later. We use this sentence when we are leaving but we'll see the person again soon. For example, when you leave school, you can say to your friends, "Goodbye, see you later." Remember, practicing these sentences helps us speak English better and communicate with others. Keep practicing and you will get better every day. Thank you for learning with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Little Marvels for more fun and educational videos. See you next time. Hello, little one. Today, we're going to learn some new sentences. These are common English sentences that we use every day. Before that, like and subscribe for more educational content. Are you ready? Let's start. 1. The first sentence is I am happy. Can you say I am happy? Good job. This sentence means you are feeling good. I am happy. I am happy. 2. The next sentence is I am sad. Can you say I am sad? Excellent. This sentence means you are feeling not so good. I am sad. I am sad. 3. Now, let's say I am hungry. Can you say I am hungry? Well done. This sentence means you want to eat something. I am hungry. I am hungry. 4. The next sentence is I am thirsty. Can you say I am thirsty? Great. This sentence means you want to drink something. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. 5. Now, let's say I love Mom. Can you say I love Mom? Good job. This sentence means you have a lot of affection for your mother. I love Mom. I love Mom. 6. The next sentence is I love Dad. Can you say I love Dad? Excellent. This sentence means you have a lot of affection for your father. I love Dad. I love Dad. 7. Now, let's say I see a cat. Can you say I see a cat? Well done, this sentence means you can see a cat somewhere. I see a cat. I see a cat. 8. The next sentence is I see a dog. Can you say I see a dog? Great, this sentence means you can see a dog somewhere. I see a dog. I see a dog. 9. Now, let's say I can run. Can you say I can run? Good job, this sentence means you are able to run. I can run. I can run. 10. The next sentence is I can jump. Can you say I can jump? Excellent! This sentence means you are able to jump. I can jump. I can jump. 11. Now, let's say I like apples. Can you say I like apples? Well done. This sentence means you enjoy eating apples. I like apples. I like apples. 12. The next sentence is I like oranges. Can you say I like oranges? Great, this sentence means you enjoy eating oranges. I like oranges. I like oranges. 13. Now, let's say I have a toy. Can you say I have a toy? Good job, this sentence means you possess a toy. I have a toy. I have a toy. 14. The next sentence is I have a book. Can you say I have a book? Excellent, this sentence means you possess a book. I have a book. I have a book. 15. Now, let's say it is raining. Can you say it is raining? Well done. This sentence means that water is falling from the sky. It is raining. It is raining. 16. The next sentence is it is sunny. Can you say it is sunny? Great. This sentence means the sun is shining brightly. It is sunny. It is sunny. 17. Now, let's say this is big. Can you say this is big? Good job. This sentence means something is large in size. This is big. This is big. 18. The next sentence is this is small. Can you say this is small? Excellent. This sentence means something is small in size. This is small. This is small. 19. Now, let's say you are my friend. Can you say you are my friend? Well done, this sentence means you consider someone as your friend. You are my friend. You are my friend. 20. The last sentence is thank you. Can you say thank you? Great, this sentence is a polite expression used when acknowledging a gift, service, or compliment. Thank you. Thank you. That's it. You did a fantastic job learning these sentences. Keep practicing, and you'll know them by heart in no time. Remember, learning new sentences is fun and exciting. Keep up the good work. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more educational content.